Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook's profile icon missing. As you guys can see at the bottom of my screen, I don't have the profile icon, which means it's missing. So to fix it, I need to click on menu at the bottom right of the screen, and at the top you're going to see the little setting icon. You want to click on the setting icon. From over here, scroll a bit down and you're going to see navigation bar, which is going to be under preference tab, alright? So make sure to search for navigation bar and click on it. And the first option where it says customize bar, you want to click on it. Because from customize bar, we can choose what we want to display at the bottom. So what I can do is at the top, there's video. So I'm going to remove video first. Once I hide video, you can see this option called profile. Click on auto right beside profile and click on pin. Once you click on pin, your profile will be pinned at the top. And as you guys can see at the bottom, my profile option is now available. It's not missing. So that is how you guys can fix this issue of Facebook profile icon missing. It is not actually missing. It is just your, setting being messed up. So by fixing your setting like the way I did, it should appear again. So hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.